oysters fresh?
Best in the city.
You wouldn't lie to an old man, would you? Very nice. Give me 4 with vinegar.
It's my 18th voyage. Returned from all of them without a scratch on me.
Can't do it.
Please. I've 3 children. Without me... Here, take it. You have to. I've 3 children. What will they do?
Come on.
With nothing without me. Please, you have to. Please, you don't understand. Please.
The man is a gambler. He wagers that a sailor's ship will make it to its destination. It is a strange wager for the captain. He only wins if he loses his life.
So why would a captain make the wager in the first place?
A girl tells a man that she has seen.
If the captain dies, the thin man pays his family a lot of money.
But perhaps the gambler loses his bet and decides he does not have to pay after all. A destitute woman and her small child. What can they do to such a man if he keeps their money for himself?